Welcome to the forefront of artificial intelligence, where the dawn of GPT-4.5 marks a significant leap forward in technology. As we embark on this exploration, picture the monumental enhancements that have been achieved. GPT-4.5 stands as a testament to relentless innovation, pushing the boundaries in natural language processing and providing a glimpse into the capabilities of tomorrow's AI. At the core of GPT-4.5 lies a sophisticated architecture, finely tuned to understand and generate human-like text. Imagine an AI that not only grasps context, but also engages in rich and nuanced conversations. With remarkable advancements in creativity and intelligence, GPT-4.5 elevates interactions, making them more intuitive and impactful. It's as if the lines between human and machine dialogue have blurred, marking a transformative moment in technology. The revolution doesn't stop at conversation. It extends its reach into various industries. Visualize a world where businesses harness the capabilities of GPT-4.5 to revolutionize customer service, automate content creation, and enhance decision-making processes. From healthcare to education, the implications of this advanced AI model are profound, paving the way for greater efficiency and innovation. The integration of AI into everyday tasks resonates with a promise of unprecedented convenience and productivity. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we delve deeper into the advancements of GPT-4.5, we must consider the ethical horizon it presents. Imagine an AI landscape where ethical considerations guide the development and deployment of intelligent systems. Engaging in discussions about data privacy, bias, and accountability is essential as we navigate this new territory. GPT-4.5 demands a collaborative effort to ensure that the benefits of its capabilities are harnessed for good. As we stand on the brink of a new era of AI, the anticipation is palpable. Envision a future where creativity flourishes, enabled by tools like GPT-4.5 that empower individuals to express ideas and push the boundaries of innovation. The journey into this advanced AI realm beckons us to embrace the possibilities and challenges ahead. Together, let's unravel the intricacies of this AI revolution and its capacity to reshape our lives. Join us to discover how GPT-4.5 isn't just a step forward, but a leap into the future of technology that enriches our world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI insights. See you on the next AI Odyssey.